Welcome back, friends. Friends, I am Muhammad Tahir Ahmed from Computerfever.com, and this is the first video of this modern freelancing website. And this is the theme. This kind of website will be made. So it is homepage without signing in. So when the user or customer will come here, before making his account, this page will be open before him. So this kind of page first will be made in HTML5 with assistance of Bootstrap 4. Then I shall start PHP work later on. First I shall make the basic structure. Same likes in my previous courses. So friend, first of all, I go to my computer, I minimize it, and I go to this PC, my computer, and I go to C, and I go to XAMPP. Then I shall go inside the htdocs. Actually, you should have this XAMPP program or XAMPP. If you know PHP, then you know this thing already. So inside the XAMPP, this is the XAMPP you can see. Inside the C XAMPP, and now I go inside the htdocs, and inside the htdocs I make a new folder. I create a new folder by clicking over there, and I assign it a name freelance. Now I double click over freelance, and here I shall create some folders. First I make this folder admin_panel. Now once again I create the second folder cat_images, mean category images. So now I create the three folder. As I said to you that I shall make some folders here. Conversations, third folder name is conversations. Now the fourth one, phone-awesome. Fifth one, images. Now I create the sixth folder, includes. Now the seventh one is JS. Eighth one is manage_orders. There is mistake in manage spelling. Now it's okay. Manage_orders. Ninth one, order_files, mean order files. This is the 10th one. Proposals. Its name is proposals. Now I create the 11th, requests. And the 12th one, it is the 13th one. Sorry, slides_images. I count them once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have made the 12. Now I shall create the 13th. Styles. Now the 14th folder will be made on the name of ticket_files. Ticket_files. Okay, this folder will be used for order inquiries. Some person will come and they will send the questions. The 15th one is order user_images. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. I have made these 15 folders. Now I shall go the top first because it is showing alphabetically. So first one is admin_panel. So I shall click over admin_panel, and I create some folder here inside the admin_panel. First one is admin_images. second one is CSS, third one is font underscore awesome, sorry, not underscore, dash awesome. Includes, fourth one is include, and the fifth one, last one, is JS. So now I go back to freelance. This is the actually main our folder freelance, which is inside the htdocs. This is the freelance, and in freelance I have created these 15 folders, and then inside the admin panel I have created these 5 folders. At this stage all these folders are empty except this admin panel folder, this admin panel, because it has these 5 folders. Now I come back to freelance and I go to third one, which is name is conversations. So I shall make some folder inside the conversations. So I click over it and I click new folder. It will be conversations underscore files, conversations underscore files. Now I go back to freelance. So now I go inside the font awesome, font dash awesome, and I click over new folder, CSS. Now once again I make the second folder, fonts. I have made these 2 folders inside the font dash awesome. So I go back to freelance and I open the proposals folder, and 2 folders will be made inside this proposals folder. Here the proposals meaning is like Fiverr gigs, or you can say the objects proposals underscore files. I have made this one. Now I go back to freelance. Now I go inside the requests folder. Proposals means also offers. So I click over new folder and I create here requests, request underscore files. So friend, now I go back to freelance and I have now created all the essential folders which are remaining. So whatever is remaining, so with the passage of time, when I see that there will be any need of making any new folder, then I will make, but I think these folders are enough at this stage of time. So friend, in next video I shall come back and I shall open this code editor and begin my work over it.